Crazy Chef. Welcome back to the video. Welcome back to the vibe. So today I'm going to show you how to prepare Yuca slash cassava slash whatever you want to call it. I'm going to show you how to prepare it so you can use it for whatever you want to use it for. So the first thing you want to do is you want to take the skin off. You can either use a knife or you can peel it off with your fingers. And as soon as you get a grip on it, it comes right off easily. So hit that like button. If you're a first time viewer on the channel, hit that subscribe button and be a part of the vibe. So we take all the skin off. As I said, you can take it off with a knife or you can take it off with your fingers. It comes off pretty easily. You give it a slice and it's ready to go. And then as soon as we take the skin off, we'll get ready to show you how to get it ready for preparation. You know, whether you're baking or you're cooking or whatever you're doing with it. But this is how you get it ready. Take the skin off and you clean it up a little bit. Or this way is pretty simple. You take a knife, peel it right off. You waste some of it this way, but it works. So take a knife and it comes off pretty easily. Or you cut it in half and you just do like that. It depends on how good you are with a knife. So the better you are with a knife, each method will work for you. So that works perfectly. Then we're gonna take a box grater and we're gonna just grate it. And that will be the second step. So get that part off, take a box grater, smallest part of the grater, run it through, and you go from there. So the small part of the grater, run it through. Crazy Chef, Crazy Creative Kitchen. Thanks for checking out the vibe. We appreciate it. As I said, hit that like button. If it's your first time here, hit that subscribe button and be a part of the vibe. The vibe is always right over here. So we're grading for cassava slash yuca root slash whatever you want to call it. So what I'm gonna make with mine is I'm gonna make a cassava cake slash cassava pudding slash, as I said, whatever you want to call it. So then we take the grated cassava and it's filled with liquid, so we squeeze it and we take all the liquid out. So after that we're gonna put it in a ball and then we're gonna put it to dry. So little ball, put it aside. Then we're gonna put that to dry and we're gonna dry it for a day. Then we're gonna come back and we're gonna make our cassava cake slash cassava pudding. So this is a 2-part video. Crazy Chef, stay with the vibe, check out the vibe, keep the vibe going. Thanks for watching. Crazy Chef, Crazy Creative Kitchen. The vibe is always right over here. Thanks for watching.